Oh man, man. So this video right here is going to be a little bit different. I want to welcome y'all tuning in once again. I got a request from somebody who left a comment to make a beat using a sample. The sample is Aretha Franklin. Hang on. Aretha Franklin Daydreaming. And shout out to the person who did the request. His YouTube name is Touche Say So. Thank you. So I found this song because it didn't dawn on me till I heard it. And this is some real shit. This is gonna be tricky. Let me see if I can look it up right quick. So this is it right here.
You've saved me so much on my insurance with that Russell rate. You become my muse.
This
Russell,
ain't it.
State Farm offers everyone surprisingly.
Here we go. Okay, so that's it. Y'all know. So I found a piece of it that I like, and I'm gonna try and use that piece and throw something together right quick, but I don't know how long it's gonna take. So real quick, thank you for stopping to check the video out. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. All that shit is free. I will respond. Some of y'all already know, as quick as I possibly can. Okay, so I got it sliced and I assigned it to the pads, but because I want it to be different, I reversed it. So it don't sound nothing like the song. Yeah, so this is gonna be tricky. I gotta match the snap count or the BPM or the metronome, so I can make the drums and lay the pads out and all of that. So I'm gonna try and do it right here on the fly. Like I said, as quick as I can. I don't normally do this and record it for a video, so you kind of get what you get. Alright, so this is going to be a little tricky. that's it right there, man. Trying to lay these drums out right quick. Alright, so I just linked two drum patterns, not patterns, but sounds together to make it a little bit easier. Alright, before I make another drum pattern, I'm gonna make another pattern with this sample. Try and lay out another drum pattern, man. That's enough. That first one is enough to get me by to lay it out, but I don't really like it. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna try and change it up. So I got two patterns right here, but the way I see it, I got one drum pattern right now because I don't really like the first one. I don't know. I ain't feeling it. So I'm gonna build off the groove of the second one and put some swing on it. But I want to put some more flair on the cymbal also. So we'll call this scene 1. Not bad. I mean, you know, for trying to do something out of nowhere, yeah. But it was a hell of a challenge, though. I like this kind of shit, man. It make you take you out of your bubble. People need that when they make instrumentals. That's like two different right now it sounds like two different beats, but I'm gonna try and mesh it together in a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it right there, man. Hey, if you tuned in this far, I appreciate y'all for that. Don't forget, subscribe, like, comment, and share. All that shit is free. In the description, I got my new single out. It's called Facts on Facts. It's on Spotify right now. A few days from now, it's going to be available on all the major platforms, all that shit. You know what I'm saying? Follow me on Instagram if you want, Real Debo Mac. Man, I appreciate the hell out of y'all, man. Learn from others, don't copy others. Pay attention to others, don't copy others. Machine life. Alright, so we back at it again. I had to come back. I had to collect my thoughts, get my shit together, and come back to this. Because if y'all watched the first portion of the video, you saw that it caught me off guard from a lot of different angles. So I had to collect myself and come back to it. Sometimes that's the best thing to do. It ain't just with beats. One thing I noticed, sometimes walking away for a second, come back through it. Now you got a different perspective and things make sense. Whereas maybe before they didn't. So I got quite a bit put together. And for the sake of making this part of it short, I constructed the beat. I was trying to do it during the video. And the foundation of what I had in the first part of the video was kind of still there. I just changed a little bit up as far as how I was hitting the pads, when I was hitting this or that pad, whatever. So most of it's still there. The drum kit, same drum kit. I added some bass line just to give it a little bit of body. And I'm probably going to add maybe one more instrument, possibly two, for some fillers, you know. But this is what I got right now, man. that's about it right there, man. That's about it right there. So hopefully next time around, if somebody send me a song they want me to sample, I can put it together on the fly in that video. You know what I'm saying? It's a little bit easier. But you never know, because I don't expect y'all to send me simple songs to sample. So, like I said, first time around, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I will reply as quick as I possibly can. It's free. I got a new single on Spotify right now. I'm going to add that link to this video like I did with the other video. Check that out. I appreciate it all. Learn from others, don't copy others. Pay attention to others, don't copy others. Machine life.